Reflections through the algorithm. Reflections. Through the algorithm, what returning viewers reveal about audience and creator identity on YouTube. Introduction. In the constantly evolving landscape of digital media, where attention is the most valuable currency, the presence of returning viewers stands as one of the most telling metrics of meaningful connection between a creator and their audience. Unlike fleeting clicks or one-time views, returning viewers suggest a deeper resonance, a reason to come back. They reveal something not just about what's being consumed, but why. This paper explores how returning viewer data on YouTube can serve as a powerful lens into both the audience's core interests and the creator's identity. In a digital attention economy driven by metrics, this form of engagement offers rare qualitative insight into the deeper motivations behind consumption. The content that repeatedly draws viewers is more than successful. It's reflective of the viewer's inner needs and the creator's deeper purpose. Thesis: the themes that consistently attract returning viewers not only reveal audience interests, but also reflect the creator's core values, motivations, and creative identity. So, overview of the data. To ground this exploration, we examine the titles of the 10 videos on a YouTube channel that have drawn the most returning viewers. These videos are Sometimes We Have to Go In to Get Out, How to Own Success in the Workplace Without Triggering Jealousy, Shared Consciousness, ¿Estamos todos conectados? Descubre la mente colectiva. Chrono Reflections, Moving Through Layered Consciousness. Seeing with the Heart. Is Life All About Perspective? Silence of the Salience Network. When Dysregulation Leads to All In, the Perfect Storm. How to Succeed in the Digital Dollar Era. Spanish version. Who Makes the Best Navy SEALs? Former construction workers? Surprising background. Bubbles, Truth About Human Perception. Healthy restroom tips for older men. A clear thematic pattern emerges across this list. Many of these videos focus on self-awareness, cognitive exploration, social intelligence, and unexpected truths about human behavior or society. They span personal growth, psychology, spiritual or metaphysical reflection, and unconventional insight, pointing to a consistently thoughtful and reflective audience base. Third, audience analysis. What returning viewers are interested in: deep thinking and consciousness. A significant portion of the most watched content explores topics like perception, consciousness, and mental states. This suggests that returning viewers are not seeking surface-level entertainment. They are drawn to content that invites them to think deeply, reflect inwardly, and question their own understanding of self and reality. Titles like Chrono Reflections, Moving Through Layered Consciousness, and Shared Consciousness, ¿Estamos todos conectados?, indicate a strong interest in philosophical or even spiritual topics framed through the lens of modern thought. Self-improvement and modern success videos, such as How to Own Success in the Workplace Without Triggering Jealousy and How to Succeed in the Digital Dollar Era, show that viewers are also concerned with navigating the complexities of modern success. But rather than get-rich-quick content, these videos point towards socially conscious self-improvement, success with emotional intelligence and awareness. This suggests that the audience is ambitious but thoughtful, looking to improve their external lives while remaining grounded in values and relationships. Curiosity and unconventional insight. The inclusion of videos like Who Makes the Best Navy SEALs and Healthy Restroom Tips for Older Men points to a strong appetite for novelty and truths that defy assumptions. These topics might appear niche, but they resonate because they deliver insights not commonly addressed, satisfying the viewer's curiosity with authenticity. This reflects an audience that values learning from unexpected places and prefers substance over flash. D. Emotional and intellectual depth. Finally, what ties these varied interests together is a shared desire for depth, both emotional and intellectual. These are not videos designed to distract or entertain in passing. They're crafted to engage the mind, evoke reflection, and in some cases, offer healing or understanding. The consistent return of viewers to this type of content suggests they are coming back for connection, meaning, and insight, not just information. EV. Creator. Reflection, what this says about the creator. A. Introspective and philosophical nature. The creator's repeated focus on consciousness, perception, and social dynamics suggests a mind that is deeply curious, not just about the world, but about the internal landscapes of self and others. These themes are not picked for clicks. They reflect a genuine inquiry. B. Integrative thinker. This creator clearly enjoys blending disciplines, psychology, neuroscience, spirituality, professional development, into accessible content. They move fluidly between emotional and analytical frames, presenting both data and meaning. Such a creator sees value in unifying different worldviews to offer holistic insight, which appeals to an equally integrative audience. C. Curator of authentic, purposeful content. The topics suggest a creator who is not chasing trends or algorithmic bait. Instead, they are committed to producing content with depth, integrity, and lasting value. Whether exploring workplace behavior or metaphysical ideas, the content aims to help people live better, more aware lives. This authenticity builds long-term trust, the foundation of returning viewership. D. Community-oriented storyteller. Beyond being informative, the content often feels like a dialogue, a conversation between creator and viewer about the things that matter most. This approach fosters not just views, but a sense of belonging. The creator becomes more than a broadcaster. They become a guide, a fellow traveler, or even a mentor. V. Implications for creative strategy. Content alignment. The creator would benefit from continuing to lean into the themes of introspection, real-world wisdom, and curious exploration. These resonate deeply with the returning viewer base and differentiate the channel in a crowded platform. Brand positioning. There's a clear opportunity to position the channel as a space for deep insight and grounded growth. This tagline captures both the intellectual and practical aspects of the content and can guide branding, visuals, and messaging. Engagement over virality. This content is not built for viral spikes. It's designed for slow burn resonance. That's a strength. Emphasizing viewer retention, emotional impact, and thoughtful discussion can strengthen long-term growth and community building over time. Conclusion. YouTube returning viewer data is more than just a performance metric. It is a mirror, reflecting the values, needs, and desires of both the audience and the creator. In this case, returning viewers are drawn to content that provokes thought, fosters self-understanding, and shares wisdom across disciplines. In turn, the creator behind that content is revealed to be introspective, integrative, and committed to authenticity and depth. Understanding this dynamic allows for more intentional content creation, deeper audience relationships, and a stronger sense of creative direction. It is in this mutual reflection between what is offered and what is returned that a truly resonant creator-audience relationship is formed. Hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Please join us for a prosperous and purpose-filled journey.